the whole globe showing Europe and Africa. Red heart. Red heart.
Ah. 6 missed calls in the space of 20 minutes. Ah. Hello? Babe, where are you?
I'm almost at home. Did you prepare anything for me to eat?
I've done that. I just made you your favorite native soup, so please.
I better like it. It will be funny to you.
Oh, okay. Okay, take care. Ago. She's almost here.
Okay.
Okay?
What else am I supposed to say now?
Have you forgotten about what we planned?
Of course I have not forgotten about our plan. Listen, I have the plans in details, okay, and we're going to follow through. Once she comes, we'll tell her, and whatever she says, we'll go.
Thank you. I trust you.
It's okay.
Let me just go and heat up her food before she arrives.
Nah, don't worry about that thing. I have done it for you. Listen, bro, I got you, but you don't know.
Thanks, bro. I
really
appreciate.
It's okay.
And that reminds me, you later called me for that job.
Wow! Congratulations! Jemola guy! Nah, I'm happy for you, eh?
Thanks. And they said I can resume immediately, like sharp. Telling you.
Is it the job they offer to pay you 250k monthly?
Bam! That particular job. And they chose me for that particular position. Many people applied though, many.
But definitely they will choose somebody.
Now they can't choose me now.
Nah, you're a lucky guy, yo. Chai!
So, but Chukuma, I'm scared. I don't know if I should take that job or I should leave it. I don't know how I should feel about it.
Demola, just relax, eh? Relax. Once she comes in, we'll discuss the whole issue with her. If she approves of it, you're okay now. Okay. Nah, you're my guy. Don't be talking too much.
I really appreciate it.
It's okay now.
Who they play now?
Nah, these people, they are playing rubbish.
How you doing?
Hey! My darling.
How you doing?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hi.
I'm fine. Welcome.
So, how was your day?
So hectic.
I can imagine.
You're welcome.
Demola, set the diner.
Okay, I'll do that right away.
I'm going to freshen up. I'll be right back. Okay?
Oh, okay. Let me help you with you. Okay. Fast. Mommy said you should set diner.
So what is it that you guys wanted to talk to me about?
We wanted to relate some few things to you.
Which are?
We need a nanny. Someone that can help us out with the cooking and cleaning in the house. Just to assist us.
That's what he suggested.
We don't have a need for a nanny in this house. That is why you guys are here.
But we are men. We cannot just stay at home all day. We need to go out and work and do other things.
Work for what? What happened to the monthly allowance that I give to you both all the time? Eh? Or it's not enough?
It's enough for me.
I clothe you. I feed you! I make sure that you lack nothing in this house. And I don't see any reason why you have to complain. So, I see you want to just remain idle.
No. Far from that. We are just looking for a better way that things can work better in the house. That's just it.
Demola, the last time I checked, I never asked for your opinion on anything in this house. I can see the way you've been behaving lately. I think I'll have to marry another man.
He's the one behaving like that too.
Chukuma.
I think that is what I'm going to do. Since the burdens are too much for you.
It's not too much for me.
What is wrong with you? Especially you, Demola. I've told you guys to split the work amongst yourself so that the workload will reduce.
Yes.
No. And you, Shukume?
Mommy.
I want to have you in my room by 9 p.m. Please take enough rest. Because I'll be needing maximum satisfaction from you tonight.
Okay.
What do you mean by okay? Have you forgotten that tonight is your turn?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Demola, what is all this now? You want to disorganize my matrimonial home? What is all this? I've told you that you should allow the sleeping dog lie. You say you want to talk to her. Now you've heard what she said now. Are you okay now?
We are men. We deserve our respect. You cannot keep cleaning and washing dishes like women.
Nah, are you indirectly saying she should be doing the dishes and cleaning the house for you?
Chukuma, sometimes I don't even understand you. What are you even saying? Are you happy with the way she's tossing us up and down?
No!
Are you happy with the way she talks to us?
No!
Are you even happy with the way she deprives us from entering her room only when she wants us to come in?
No! I am not happy about that.
So what are you not saying?
All I am saying is let us allow her be. And if there's anyone in this house that should be complaining, I should be the one.
Yes, Oni.
Nah, go John. For no answer now. I
gave her an answer.
Nah, get away you.
You try. I'm coming.
Nah, this guy could just put somebody for trouble for this house. Somebody will be living peacefully in his matrimonial home. Another thing will be coming.
Hello, darling. How are you? Sorry, dear, I missed your call. I'm fine. Did you see the 50 million naira I sent to you? Don't mention. You know I'll do anything for you. Don't worry. I'll talk to you later. Okay? Demola.
Yes, Oni.
Tidy up the room and make sure it's clean. Because I'll be coming back with a guest.
A guest? Who is that, please?
It's none of your business, sweetie.
I just hope it's not another guy. I'm sorry about what I said today. I just wanted us to... I just hope this is not the other husband she talked about that she wants to get married to. I just hope so. 3 people in one house, 3 husbands.
My love, see, things have changed. I just want to take care of you. I just want you to be my husband. I really want you. I am capable. Money is not a problem. I have plenty of it. I want to take you off the street.
Madam, now shall I be, and you know. And besides, now me suppose they do what they do now, so now me will pay your bride price, not the other way around.
It doesn't matter. What matters is love. And of course, money. I just want you. I love the way you make me feel. You always make me feel like a woman. You turn me on. I want to have you under my roof as my husband. Please.
You just get it, they enter me. And if you enter me like this, you get me. But see, I shall we marry. Now vacation now you go.
Beautiful. Then let me take you on vacation. Yes. Let me take you to Paris, London, and Dubai. Baby, what do you want?
Wait till I shall they find again if you no be money. And that money I want.
Then name your price.
Madam, if you go fit to pay me 50,000 naira till daybreak, no problem now.
You mean 50,000 naira? That's not a problem. In fact, I'm going to pay advance.
Marriage is sweet though. See, if you pay the 50,000 every night, and at the day do us part, while I no good day. But the day you fail to pay, that day we divorce.
No problem. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay, no wahala. I don't agree. But first, I want chop. So that I feel match you well tonight.
Aww.
So that you can feel me.
I love that. Just go downstairs. The cook is there. Yeah.
And they come. Just spread leg with her to come here.
I will. Thank you.
Chukuma.
Okay. Afana.
You are ready for tonight.
Yes, sir. I am ready for tonight.
I see.
I noticed something. When mommy was coming in, I think he came with a man. I don't know.
Are you sure?
I noticed it, but I couldn't lay my hands on the person. It's in the kitchen.
Anyway, I didn't see anybody. I just got here. Yes.
Well, I'm asking because tonight is my night.
Because proud.
Yes, tonight is my night. And they say if you eat banana, your performance will be excellent.
Update.
Yes. So that is why I'm preparing. It's no easy.
Who are you, and how do you get to this house?
The first thing you are supposed to say is good evening and not who are you.
Chukuma.
Demola, leave him alone. Baby. Shikuma.
Mommy.
Demola is my husband to be.
Is your what?
Did I stop her?
Oh baby, you cannot just bring in anybody and say it's your husband. Why?
Stop it! Stop that lecture. Stop.
Babe, who you say be cook among them?
Oh, that's what.
This one? Where you go cook better food for me. Pounded yam and egusi soup so that I will chop. Then, I feel satisfied, my babe.
Baby! Baby. OSAZEE, my darling. Go upstairs and wait for me. Okay?
If you dey come, bring correct cold juice. Come upstairs when you dey come.
Alright, baby. Coming.
Okay.
Demola, we're first about it. Shikuma,
Mommy.
I won't be needing you tonight again, okay? So you can see someone is there already.
Mommy, tonight is my night and tomorrow is for Demola. Why won't you be needing me?
Don't worry. So you can see things have changed.
Nana, wow. In the space of 2 months, Mommy got married to you. And now he's bringing another man into this, our matrimonial home. Nah, this is not fair, eh?
Chukuma, I told you about this. Now she has done what she said she wants to do. You can see for yourself now. You can see.
Anyway, I am okay since nothing has affected me in my matrimonial home. I am okay. Let God just do his thing and be the judge.
Chukuma, is that all you have to say?
Nah, that is all I have to say. Oh. Matachuko, I don't have any other thing to say. Mommy, okay, I will take it gently. Mommy, Marama. Mommy, Marama.
Good morning, beautiful.
Will you stop this? Since when? Demola! Shikuma!
Mommy,
You didn't tell him how things are done in this house.
I will brief him.
Shikuma.
Mommy.
Shikuma!
Mommy.
Demola,
Yes, ma'am.
what's this? What happened to the spices? I always told you to put spice on my food! What is this?
I'm very sorry. When else I'm cooking your food, I'll consider that.
Sorry for yourself. Why did you stop?
Okay.
The massage.
So, yes. Mommy, Mommy, Marama.
So what are you saying? Was that how she lured you in getting married to her?
Yes. She was so desperate to marry me in the street. I am the king of women. I know how to satisfy them, like I knack them very well. But she has a way of turning you blind to her red flags.
Wow. That's nice. Okay, I want to ask you, did she send you the money for the marriage as promised?
No, she did not. She placed me on payroll. And she's giving me 50,000 naira every night. You know now, till daybreak. And it was for till death do us part. What about you? How did you get here?
Okay. I was working in one of our prestigious companies, and one of the staff there framed me up, accused me of stealing 12 million naira. And before I could even defend myself, nobody wanted to even listen to me and all that. But on a good day, she called me into an office and proposed a deal for me.
A deal?
Yes, a deal. She said she liked me. She wants me. And I was surprised. In fact, at first, I was confused. I said to myself, why will a woman be proposing to a man? You know, I was more confused. And before I knew it, she, presented a paper before me.
Like an agreement?
Yes. Like an agreement. She said she wants me. She wants to get married to me. I was more confused because I said, why will a woman be asking me out? Telling me she wants to get married to me, which is normally against our culture, against our tradition, yeah. It is the other way around. I was really, really confused. But she promised me one thing, that if I reject her offer, she's going to take me to jail. But if I accept her offer, she's going to take me out of poverty, elevate my family. So many promises. And that is how I got here.
Wow. That was huge.
My brother, very huge.
So tell me, are you the first husband or the second husband?
I am the first legally married husband in this matrimonial home. Yes.
Oh yeah. What about you? What's your story?
Anyways, as you all know, I'm a chef. There was this scholarship for chefs abroad. I've applied severally, but I was not picked. She met me in a competition where I was supposed to take the first position, but I came out second due to the bribery and all of that. She was part of the observers. She encouraged me, and she told me she was going to give me a scholarship to study abroad. If only I can come and cook in the house for 2 weeks.
How did you end up being her husband?
My younger brother was involved in an accident. He was badly injured. She paid the bills, gave him a job. She told me of how she liked me and wanted to get married to me, and how she had been lonely for a while now. She told me she was going to take my family out of poverty, fund my bills, and at that particular time I was in need of money. So I agreed. But I never knew that Chukuma was here already.
So, when you came into this house, you never knew Chukuma was here. So, finally, when you discovered that Chukuma is here, why didn't you leave this house?
Look, man, I told you before, I'm only here because of the money. As soon as she gives me what I want, I will leave.
It's more like we are slaves here. And we can't even leave because of what we signed and the benefits we are getting from her.
Normally, it is men that marry more than one wife. But for a lady like her to be okay with marrying more than one husband, I'm not angry just because she marries more than one husband or that, but she can marry 10 if she likes. But she should go about it the right way, not by deceiving and manipulating people to like her. Sometimes I just feel she was not brought up well.
Demola. Anyway, welcome to the polyandry family. You understand? So relax, enjoy yourself. You understand? Or you use the door and you face the consequences. Welcome, guys.
Alpha. That it was for me, I beg.
I think you say you're a chef.
What's the
Please.
meaning of that? Please. Stop that, please.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Mommy, I am sure. I am very sure. In fact, I have it on record. If you want me to play it for you, I'll play it.
Please.
Okay.
Look, man, I told you before, I'm only here because of the money. As soon as she gives me what I want, I will leave.
That's it.
This guy, he's so ungrateful. After everything I did for him.
Very bad.
I will send him behind bars.
And Mommy, not just Demolao. OSAZEE have been stealing from you. He has been stealing from you. I wasn't sure too until I confronted him one day and he was shocked and speechless.
Oh my God. That explains why my money and my jewelry has been missing.
Okay.
I will so deal with both of them that they will regret the day they met me.
No, Mommy, I love you so much. I care about you. But all these guys out there, they just want your money, just to spend your money lavishly. That's all.
It's okay, my darling. It's okay. I'm so sorry. I am sorry. I should have listened to you from the onset. I didn't know.
It's okay. You know, these are the things real husbands do to their real wives. You need to support each other.
Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Good day, officer. Please, I need you to send 2 men to my house right away. Okay, good.
That's it. Maybe we'll catch up with them.
Yes.
Okay.
Just a minute, please.
Okay.
Honestly, why are men heartless and wicked? Why? I brought those people into my home. I give them money. And I make sure they lack nothing. Yet they are not satisfied. What else do they want from me?
I want everything you have.
Sorry?
You heard me right. I want everything you have. Your cars, your money, your jewelries, all your businesses, your properties. I want everything.
Have you gone nuts? Wait.
That's it. That's it.
What?
I don't know why it took so long for that to work. But that is it.
What did you put in my drink? What did you put in my drink?
Food poisoning. That's it.
Chukuma!
You control us as if we are your servants. You toy with our emotions just because you have all the money in the world. Guess what? I will help you spend all the money you think you have, that you have gathered over the years. I have your security and password. I am a man. You got married to me first. You brought me to this matrimonial home, and I wasn't expecting you to bring any other man into this house. That was not the promise you made to me. You said together forever. That is what you promised me. Then why bring other men into this house? Who are you to get married to more than one man? And for the record, I have been the one stealing your money and jewelries.
Someone.
Inspector Hassan, why are we stopping over now? Let's take these criminals to the station and charge them to court immediately.
Sergeant, I feel something is not right. I can feel it.
Hassan Dankwago.
Demola.
It's me.
Malam Sidi. NYC Camp Gobe.
Gumbe.
Demola. I don't know you to be a criminal.
I am not a criminal. See, as you said, something is really not right. Please, let's go back. Something is honestly not right. Yes. And I don't know why this one is affecting me.
Come on, keep quiet, you criminals. Okay, let's take this man to the station.
Sergeant, see, like I said before, something is not right. I can feel it deep down. Please, pilot, can we go back to that house? Let's go back to that house.
Now for carry this people go station, no.
How did you get out of prison?
I was never in prison. My friend Hassan, we went to service together. I explained everything to him.
After all I did to you, after how I treated you, why did you come back to me?
I knew there was something off about Chukwuman because he was so comfortable with the way you treated us. But I could not place my hands on it. So I told my friend Hassan, the policeman, to drive back. And I waited outside, and that was how I came out with your body. Tracy, I can see through you. You are not the person people perceive you to be. What went wrong? Who hurt you? Share your burden with me. I will help you carry them.
A lot changed me. My dad. I came from a polygamous home. And my dad treated my mom so bad. We lived in agony and pain. My mom took care of me. She took care of us with the money and properties she got from her own parents. Then I met this guy that said he would marry me. And even knew he was a cheat and a liar. He stole everything from us. He took our money. He stole everything. Everything from us. And my mom died out of shock. My mother died and left me. I told day and night. I did different jobs just to make ends meet. Then I became a feminist, a bitter one at that. And I vowed I was going to marry more than one man. And make them taste all that my mom went through at the hands of my dad. I suffered. I was not like this. I was a good person. Ah!
I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. I'm also from a polygamous family, so I understand everything you're saying. At first, when I came into this house, I was here because of the money you promised me. But along the line, I fell in love with you. Although I acted as if I didn't care, just to stick around to see what Chukuma wanted to do. Tracy, you are a nice person. And one thing you must know about life is that people will not treat you the way you treat them. Some will hurt you and push you to the wall. But that does not mean you should pay them with evil. When my dad was alive, he always told me that if we do not heal from our past, we will end up treating people bad that God has sent our way. Tracy, I'm in love with you. I've been in love with you from the onset. And you will make me the happiest man on earth if you agree to marry me. Tracy, will you marry me?